The salary really is, parang it's all in your mind. There's no right or wrong answer. Some people, they can charge $20 an hour. Some people, they charge $3 an hour. So it really is how confident are you in charging for your service. It's all up to you. However, what I would suggest is for you to set a base rate. Kumbaga yun yung huling tawad. Ano ba yung parang pinaka-lowest na you could go? 'Di ba? I-try mong i-figure out sa sarili mo kung ano ba yung parang, okay, ito na yung last na I can go as low as. Parang gano'n. Para alam mo rin na 'pag may mga ino-offer sa'yo, may idea ka whether you're going to accept it or not. It also pays for you to sort of compute magkano ba yung needs mo for the month. And then, dun mo siya i-base. Isipin mo kung how much are you willing to accept. And then you can start with that. Now, dito naman sa online jobs.ph, you can play with this. Hindi porke nilagay mo dyan when you started is like $3 an hour lang ang starting mo. You have to stick with it. So you can play around with it. You can try $9 or $10 or 15. It's all up to you. Pwede mo siyang i-trial and error.